What's going on, YouTube? Q back here again with another video for you. Today's video, I'm about to inquire on getting an exhaust put on my 2021 BMW M2 Competition. So I haven't even got a chance to hear the stock exhaust. I'll get that in the video for myself and you all. But this morning I'm here with my friends at MRT. If you don't know, MRT, they dig my exhaust on my Camaro. Version 3, the guinea pig for the ZL1s. Shout out to everybody that bought that. So also shout out to Terry, she got hers. So hers is sounding good. She sent me the audio clips. She's ready for the summer. But I'm here at MRT figuring out what we can do with this exhaust on here. I know there are some systems out there already. We got the equal length mid pipes and we got like a single mid pipe. So I'm about to go in here. We're about to talk about our options on what we can do here. So I want to go through MRT. Like, I'm a loyal customer here and I'd rather them see what they can do first before I let anybody else get their hands on it. So that's what we're going to do here today. Shout out to the Men of Culture, 100 Gang, Nate, Race Car Friends, Blueprint 1LE. Those are my guys. Forgot to shout them out in the last couple videos, my bad. But we're the movement, so keep on going with the movement. That's movement. Let me get in here with MRT so we can get the car up on the lift and see what we got going up underneath. Because after extensive research, it has led me to come here to get my exhaust changed, because the stock exhaust isn't great. Listen to a lot of sound clips. The M55, they say, sounds better than the S55, and I tend to agree with that. This one is kind of raspy. I like my exhaust deep, but this is the inline 6, so what can we do? I'll let MRT figure that out, and I'll just thumbs up or thumbs down. So let me get in here. So cue the intro and let's go. Just finished my meeting with MRT, so we got a game plan. Going to come back in a week and a half and execute that game plan. So right now I'm about to get you all some clips. No malice, should have been a rapper, missed opportunity. But yeah, so let us hear it stock, because I don't even know the full extent of what it sounds like as a stock exhaust. So I'm about to get that on these clips here. So in a week and a half, the crowd will be here for a couple days, and then I'll get the finished product. So we discussed the tone of what I want, so game plan there. I'll reveal that all to you once we get it back up in there. We'll get some video clips. Actually, they can get some video for me like they did last time. Back at MRT with a flock of geese flying around. As you can see, it's snowing. I got a huge beef with the Apple Weather Maps app people, man. So I checked the app right before I left. I checked it yesterday, said it was supposed to snow this evening. Checked it this morning, it said it wasn't snowing. I step outside, it's snowing, and I had to drive here in the snow, and that's not ideal, but got my appointment and wanted to get here. So about to go in here, get the car dropped off, and we'll see it when it's done. Shout out to the folks at MRT. They got me hooked up, ready to hear what this exhaust sound like. So make sure you give them a follow on social medias. They got a YouTube and Instagram. Got some cool stuff. They do a lot of cars, not just Camaros. This is custom, so I'm the only one with this one. But my Camaro ZL1, that exhaust was custom at one point, and they broke the mold. They got the mold on this one. So if you're interested, just give them a shout. But let's get back to this car. Let's see what we're sounding like. And before we get to what the new exhaust looks like, I'll show you a video of what the old one looks like. So we're dropping weight, and we're going to be adding T304 stainless steel on there. So that's about the best. Should be rust free for the duration, the lifetime of this car. So what I did get, I just got the mid muffler, and I got the single, so it went from 2 into 1. So I got a Y pipe going into one larger mid pipe and going back out into 2, going back to the axle backs. But yeah, man, let's see how this thing sounds. I'm excited to hear. let y'all hear this from inside the car. Almost left without getting that. So upon my initial impressions of it, I hear a slightly, well, definitely a deeper growl to it. Y'all know I love my deep exhaust. Even though this is an inline 6, I gotta have my deep exhaust. I do not really like raspy exhaust, so that fixes that. Hear those crackles? Definitely livens it up. Maybe do one more, then we're gonna head out. Don't want to make this video too long. Camaro-esque right there, doing those pops like that. In the words of Forrest Gump, that's all I got to say about that. So I didn't want to go too crazy with the exhaust just yet, because I still haven't just went crazy in the car to get used to the exhaust. So this is the start of an exhaust. Mid-pipe is always good. So if you've been following me for a long time, one of my favorite mods that I've done on any car was my H-pipe on my Mustang GT. So if you're an OG subscriber, you would have seen that. And on my GT350, I had the double X pipe exhaust. That was one of my favorite mods too. So thought I'd do the same thing to the M2 Competition. So it deleted the resonator and the secondary cat. So it's still good, still legal. I don't know about every state. It's legal here in Michigan, so that's all I can speak for. It did its job. From what I heard so far, the backfires are crisp, louder, more volume. I'm probably never going to drive the car in efficient mode or just regular sport mode, Sport Plus all the way. So I like the way it pops and cracks, and when you hit that red line, just the burbles it makes, I love it, man. So it's a worthy mod, and more to come soon on the BMW M2 Competition. So let me know what you guys think about this. So if you're interested in one of these exhausts, hit up MRT. So mine is custom for me, but they can produce more based off the model that I have off of mine if you just let them know. Shout out to the men of culture, as always. Got Blueprint 1LE, Race Car Friends, Honey Gang Nate. So I want to see you guys start modding your cars too. Blueprint kind of just went nuts with his, but Race Car Friends, Honey Gang Nate, bring on these mods, man. Not on that Tacoma either, Race Car Friends. We want to see the Camaro get mods, so do it. I'm gonna leave you all with that. Don't forget to check out my channel, and I will catch you in the next video. Peace out.